Imagine being 12 years old, spending hours playing video games, and accidentally discovering a stock market secret that made you thousands of dollars. Sounds crazy, right? But that's exactly what happened to one kid, and his discovery is something even professional traders are paying attention to. This isn't just a random lucky guess. He actually figured out something about the stock market that most adults completely overlook. And today, I'm going to show you how he did it, and how you might be able to use the same strategy yourself. Meet Jake. He's 12 years old, obsessed with video games, and like most kids his age, he spends way too much time playing them. His favorite? An online battle royale game where players buy in-game skins, trade items, and watch the game's economy fluctuate. Jake noticed something interesting. Certain in-game items became more valuable over time, especially when they were rare or when the game released new updates. He saw patterns. Items that were selling for cheap one day suddenly skyrocketed in value a few weeks later. One day, while sitting at the dinner table, Jake's dad was talking about the stock market. He mentioned how a company's stock price can go up when demand increases. That's when it clicked for Jake. The stock market works just like the in-game economy. Excited by his realization, Jake started looking at real-world companies the same way he looked at in-game items. He asked his dad for a little bit of money to invest, promising he had a secret strategy. His dad laughed but agreed to give him $100 to play with. Jake did what he always did in games. He looked for trends. Instead of in-game skins, he started researching companies that were about to launch new products or had something rare coming up. That's when he found NVIDIA, a company that makes graphics cards for gaming. He noticed that every time a new game with high-end graphics was released, NVIDIA's stock price went up. Just like rare in-game items, the demand for NVIDIA's products surged when big titles dropped. So, he made his move. He used his $100 to buy NVIDIA stock. At first, nothing happened. The stock price barely moved, and Jake's dad kept joking that he should have spent the money on a new game instead. But then, a major gaming company announced the release of a new ultra-realistic game. Gamers rushed to buy better graphics cards, and just like Jake predicted, NVIDIA's stock shot up. Jake's $100 investment turned into $250 in just a few weeks. It wasn't millions, but for a 12-year-old, it was like winning the lottery. More importantly, it proved that his video game strategy worked in the real world. Jake didn't stop there. He started applying the same strategy to other gaming-related companies, game publishers, console makers, even accessory brands. Over the next year, his small investments turned into thousands of dollars. Word got around, and soon, even his dad and his dad's friends were asking him for stock tips. The funny part? He wasn't using complicated charts or financial models. He was just applying the same logic he used in video games, spotting patterns, predicting demand, and acting before everyone else caught on. Jake's story proves that investing isn't just for Wall Street pros. If a 12-year-old can crack the stock market by playing video games, imagine what you could do with the right mindset and strategy. So, what industries do you think are about to blow up? Drop a comment below, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more investing secrets.